So here they are having their breakfast, all penned in. Girls are just going to go down and feed the babies now, that you just seen. And so where do they sit at night? Well, no, that is not giant's footprints. It's actually where they sit at night in the snow. You can see, there they are. Look, a little group sat here. A couple just sat over there. It's quite interesting to see where they sit actually. And they plant themselves and they stay there all night. Right, I'll put you on pause again and we'll go up to the shop. Here's Ken and Arthur having their sheep's feed. Right, there we are, look, this is up by the barn, by the tractor. And again, not giant footprints, this is where they slept. Funny, isn't it? Okay, so here we are in the shop. So the first thing we're going to look at are these. Great idea, look. Hang them out, and they're bird nesting materials of beautiful, warm alpaca fleece. How about that? Your birds would be so happy to make their little nest with this. And you can hang it on your bird feeder and they come along, help themselves. So they're on the website for sale. Of course, we've got our famous alpaca pens all the way from Peru. And you could also have one of these dolly alpaca pens, all handmade from alpaca fibre. And of course, alpaca key rings. Lots and lots of colours, you can go them. That's the pack to refill your bird nesting material. And we've got our famous alpaca socks on the back of them. They are so warm. Lots of colours to choose from. There we are, lots and lots of colours to choose from. And then the alpaca fingerless gloves, all made of alpaca fibre in Peru. Alpaca fingered gloves, there we are, got the fingers on there, lots of colours. Alpaca hats, alpaca scarves. They're lovely, those scarves are. They're really quite posh. They look smart, even for the gentlemen. They look smart with a nice tailored suit. Very cool. Alpaca toys. There they are, alpaca toys. And Joe's famous Alpaca Poo. This is the liquid version, and we also do the dried version. So thanks to all those guys that have supported us so far. By buying some of the stuff while we've been closed through lockdown. It's helped us carry on feeding the animals without having to go begging for money. Okay, right. Oh, in the shadow. As you can see, we've got a sprinkling of snow here. Nothing like they've got over in Kent at the moment. They've got about 2-3 feet of snow at the moment. It's still coming down slightly. But that's all really good. Anyway, guys, let's hope for a better summer this year when we can open our gates and you can come and see the alpacas again. It won't be long now, so just sit tight. Those who've got bookings, we will honour them if they happened during lockdown. We'll rebook you free of charge, of course. And those that have got vouchers, we extended them, so you've got that 12 months to use them. So we'll see you as soon as lockdown's finished. All the best, guys. Take care. Bye bye.